Okay, hello everybody. I'm here for another episode of Pause for the Cough. Hopefully this will work. I hope everybody's having a good morning this morning. Dizzy. Makes me dizzy. Bong. First I wake, and then I'm gonna bake here. Now I get to bake. Prepare for coffee. No, I'm gonna pause for the cough. Cheers to you. Okay, that bullet was dodged. Let's take another hit, shall we? This time I think I'll do it with my spoon. What time is it? Let me see if I got my list out here. Where did my list go? Oh, I already got that. Okay. 21 ways to consume cannabis. Are you ready for this? This is in alphabetical order. Anal enema tubes, apples, blunts, bubblers, ice bongs and gravity bongs, chillums, dab rigs, edibles, glass joints, hollow chocolate bunnies, hookahs, hot knives, roaches, spoons, Sherlocks, steamrollers, topicals, tinctures, vape pens, and volcanoes. That is the 21 ways to consume cannabis. I'm going to do it with my spoon. Cheers. No coughing. I'm enjoying that, you see. Coming up on 420, you guys. I love you. Take care. Remain stoned. Always.